Hi students, this is the question. Let f of kx is equals to 1 by k. So 1 by k sin k power x plus cos k power x, where x belongs to r and x is greater than or equals to 1. Then he is asking f of 4 of x, f of 6 of x value is asking. Answer may be 1 by 4, 1 by 12, 1 by 6, 1 by 3. So dear students, this is asked in 2014 IIT. Okay, and this is also important for EMRS, PGT, TGT exam. So this type of questions will be there. So CET also, it is asked by 2014. So see, the solution is, so f of k of x is equals to 1 upon k. This is sin k power x plus cos k power x. Okay, but is asking f of 4x minus f of 6x. So simply you need to substitute in place of k 4, 6 value. Okay, so here I am substituting. Therefore, so f of 4x minus f of 6x is equal to, substitute here, it is 1 by 4 into sin power 4x plus cos power 4x minus this value we need to substitute here, 1 upon 6. So this value is sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. So this is very important problem. Until you simplify these two values, it is very difficult. Okay, so you need to remember these two values. Here I am writing, upside I am writing. So note, here I am making notes. So sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is equals to, this is 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This is one formula, and moreover sin power x 6x plus cos power 6x, this is, we can simplify, 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. So this is the fundamental formula. So if you remember these two values, this problem will be easy, otherwise it will take half an hour. Okay, now you substitute those values. 1 upon 4 is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x minus 1 upon, you substitute here 1 minus 3 sin square x into cos square x. Next value, so simplify, 1 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4, this will be sin square x cos square x. So here this you simplify, 1 upon 6 minus into minus plus, so it is 3 by 6. 3 by 6, this value is sin square x into cos square x. So here 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 6 I am writing. This value is minus 1 by 2, it is sin square x into cos square x, plus this value is also 1 by 2, it is sin square x into cos square x. Now, so this will be cancelled. So here we left 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. This value is 3 minus 2 upon 12 LCM. So 1 upon 12 is the answer. 1 upon 12 means option is how much? Option B is correct for this. So this is previously asked question. Now it is very important for coming exam. Hi students, here is the second question. The second question is e power log 10 tan 1 plus, all these are in power only. So plus log 10 tan 2 plus log 10 tan 3 plus dash log 10 tan 89 value is, the options are here 0, e, 1 upon e and none. So this question is asked in previously PGT, TGT. In both the papers he has asked, and also asked in NDA also. Asked in NDA. In KSET also this question is asked. Okay, see, the solution is, so we should find out e power log 10 tan 1 plus log 10 tan 2 plus log 10 tan 3 plus dash dash dash. The last value is log 10 tan 89 value. Okay, as we know that, so e power log base 10, so this is tan 1 tan 2 tan 3, this is nothing but a plus b plus c plus d plus dash dash multiples. So this we can write, so tan 1 into, so product to addition formula, this is tan 2 into tan 3 into tan 4 into, so dash 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 dash, the last value is tan 89. Okay, so since here I am concluding that log of a b c to the base 10 is equals to this, we can write log a base 10 plus log b base 10 plus log c base 10, but here up to 89 are there, so that 89 I am writing like this, so which implies e power log, sorry, e power, this we can write, so e power log 10 is as it is, so this I am simplifying like this, tan 1 into this 89 I am writing, so tan of it is 90 minus 1. Okay, again tan 2 I am writing here, so the left, this before value is tan 88, this tan 88 I am writing tan of 90 minus 2, so dash 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 we can write, which implies e power log 10, so this will be tan 1 into tan 90 minus theta, so cot 1, so tan 2 as it is into, this is tan 90 minus theta, this value is cot 2. Okay, next value is tan 3 into cot 3, so dash 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 dash, everything will be cancel, e power log 10, so this value is tan cot cancel, tan cot cancel, tan cat cancel, so 1 will be there, which implies e power, so log 1 value is 0, so log 1 value is 0 means e power 0 value is how much, e power 0 value is 1, answer is 1, but there is no answer in option, 0 e 1 upon e, so ultimately option is none is correct.